Okay, I've launched the Excel spreadsheet. All right, but you do not see the developer tab on the top. Okay, not like the one that you have in your lab. Okay, the reason is because the one at home is actually hidden, right? Because most people won't use it. Okay, so if you want to see it, first you go to your file and you have an option right at the bottom down here. Okay, right at the option, and you want to customize this, right, this ribbon. So you go into the customization, and you will see this is your customized ribbon somewhere over here. All right, you probably need to scroll down a little bit if you don't see it. Is your developer, enable it because by default is disabled, and click OK. After you do that, you should find your developer tab up here. Right, you should find it here. Then once you have this, right, you will be able to proceed, right, to your coding. Okay, you'll be able to proceed to your coding, all right, by going into the view code. See that? Right, and this is the VBA, right, which we will be using.